Hi, I'm Jules with IMTS TV. I'm here with Caitlin Ludlam with the Mars Generation Speakers. Caitlin, we hear you have a big speech coming up. Can you tell us a little bit about what you're going to be talking to students?
Yes, I'm going to give a speech very soon to talk to students about being involved in STEM, or STEAM, which is science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, but also space, because there's so much to explore out there, especially in the engineering and the aerospace engineering, all those different fields. And I just want to encourage these kids to go out and try new things and to go and explore these different things that they're interested in and hopefully, change the future.
Excellent. So what made you interested in STEM?
Growing up, I was a self-proclaimed Lego fanatic. And when first Lego League, which is a robotics league where you build Lego robots, came to my school, I decided to join because I love Lego so much. And from then I've been building up in the robotics competitions, and it's brought me to different levels of STEM, and I really loved it.
What are some things that you hope students that listen to your speech today come away with knowing?
I hope they know that whenever someone tells them no, that they should prove them wrong and they should go out and try anything. And there's so many things out there for them to go out and do and to follow their dreams. If they hit a bump in the road, if they feel like they're failing, that they're not failing unless they quit. There's always resources out there to help them and to guide them forward and to just continue following their dreams and getting careers that they really enjoy. I've been told a couple times in my life that I can't become an engineer because I'm a girl. And that didn't make sense to me growing up, and I decided that I had to prove them wrong and go into robotics and space and study engineering.
I'm here with Tessa McAvoy with the Mars Generation. She's one of our speakers at the SmartForce Student Summit. Tessa, why don't you tell us a little about your speech today?
Today I am speaking about how art influences my passions for science and STEM, and today I'm going to be presenting people with videos and cartoons that I do related to science.
So what do you hope the kids take away from hearing you speak this morning?
I hope the kids take away that you can do anything you want.
Wonderful. So what are your plans for the future?
Well, that's a good question. In the future, I plan to continue to do art and cartoonings and science mixed together in order to make science more accessible to more people through a visual format.
I'm here with Kate McKinney with the Mars Generation Speakers. What are your big messages you're telling students today?
First of all, I definitely want to get across the table that science is going to be a part of our future, and if we're smart, we'll kind of use that to our advantage. I also want to talk about how science has already kind of shaped the world into what it is today in some ways that we may not even realize.
Tell me a little bit more about your other project, your nonprofit that you've been working on.
Right, yeah, the Youth Science Alliance is kind of a stem out of another nonprofit that I started, where our goal there with YSA is really to get students to be thinking about science as a vehicle for positive change, science as a way to make the world a better place, and STEM also. But
what is your next step in science? What are you looking to do next?
Well, it's my goal to pursue a career in space medicine. So that's basically combining space and medicine into a career where you're looking at how the human body is affected by the space environment. It also extends to other things like building human space systems that can sustain life in the harsh environment of space.
I'm Jules McGuire from IMTS TV.